Hi, thanks for joining me. I'm David, one of the cash register guys here at National Business Systems. Thank you so much for purchasing this particular bundle. This is the 265 EJ with a credit card reader, specifically the PAX A920 Pro. So I want to show you how to connect this register to your credit card system. First of all, when you unbox your register, we're already going to have it programmed. We'll have your custom keyboard made. We'll have your tax rate, store message, whatever it is that you need. So we take care of that. We're also going to walk you through over the phone how to do all of this setup as well. But let me show you where you connect your register to the Ethernet so then we can connect the wireless pin pad. So you're going to take the register and look at the very back of it. I'm going to spin it around for you. There is a little port right here. So you open up this little door and you'll find the serial ports and the Ethernet connection. We'll put an insert picture in the video so you can get a close-up look. Then you take your Ethernet cord, okay? We don't supply this. You'll need to get this. They're available everywhere. You probably already have some. This is going to go to your switch or to your router, the other end. This end is going to go to your register on the port that is labeled LAN. From the back, it's far right. And again, refer to the insert, the picture that we're going to put in. So you're going to take your Ethernet and plug it in there. Okay, so now it's plugged in to that Ethernet port. You'll see green lights now on either side of it. There were no lights before we plugged it in. Now we have lights. Then you're going to close this. You can punch this out if you want so the cord comes out seamlessly. Okay, we'll leave that up to you. And then your register is now connected to the Ethernet system. Now, again, we've already programmed this for you. It's ready to go. Then you're going to take your pin pad. We would have already ordered it with everything it needs to connect to your register. And then you're going to go into the setup menu, and we'll walk you through this over the phone. Don't try to do it on your own. Call us when you get everything set up, and we're going to walk you through. And you're going to go to the setup menu. It's a pretty simple setup menu. And you can see there's Wi-Fi connections, etc. So you're going to connect this to your Wi-Fi in your business. And then our technicians will walk you through connecting it to this in the program mode. That'd be a little difficult to show you on the video. But once they do that, then you'll be able to ring up sales on this. It'll go through the Ethernet wirelessly through your Wi-Fi right to the pin pad. It is really, really simple. So again, thank you very much for buying this system from us. Please give us a call so we can walk you through the setup. I think you'll love it. If you have any questions, 1-800-863-2274.